Hello, everybody. Just Jordy at Carving Fusion here. Just want to talk about these two fence board Christmas trees I just carved today. I don't like these trees. That top on that one's funny, and that one's kind of bulky. So I'm going to show you what I do to jazz up some trees that I just don't like, make them sellable. Okay, so this is what I do. We get ourselves a Carving Fusion paint tray. We get ourselves some dollar store white paint. Put the paint on the paint tray. And just kind of give it a nice little. Oh, look, it was snowing out along all the things here. It doesn't have to be neat. You guys have to remember that the white does absorb more into the wood than any other colors. So I'm going to go along and do all these tips white. Not too much. Maybe I got a little bit carried away there. Okay, so I'll show you what our next step is. Okay, so when the paint's still wet, you get yourself some sparkles. These are abalone color. I got them, mother of pearl. Sorry, got these on Amazon. All I do is I just get a fingerful and sprinkle the sparkles on. Crazy. I call these crazy lady Christmas trees. Yep, because all the ladies go crazy for them at Christmas time. Yep. Okay. So if you want the sparkles to stay on the whole tree, you can get some clear coat and spray it with clear coat too, and all those sparkles will stay. Okay, so there you go. Tips and tricks by Jordy Johnson at Carving Fusion. Blend the shitty trees in with the good trees. Snapshot a picture of this right now. Snap. Put it on Facebook. Fence board Christmas trees for sale. $100 each. They'll all sell probably within a couple hours. There you go. Hi, Carrie. Bye. Okay, I'm back. So, somebody just messaged me and asked me if I had any more trees. I said, today's your lucky day. I just carved these. Sent a picture and I said, which ones do you want? And they said, they want two. They want that one and that one. And one of those trees are the trees that I don't like. Carry on. Just because I don't like it doesn't mean somebody else doesn't like it. Carry on, carry on, carry on.